Even if your voice quivers, you speak. You sing your song.
Maindago haina ndo sana sera duma. Maindago se canto bonito cuando terminua.
There is a wounding within the masculine, which means there's a wounding within the feminine, which means there's a wounding within the human race. It's on us to really dig deep and heal and come together in brotherhood.
The power of the Sacred Sons container somehow can bring a bunch of people who on the surface might have nothing in common to find that we have so much in common, that we have so much shared experience at our core as men. And it's beautiful, and I think that we need more of it.
It's actually what I believe, the way we should live, and may even have lived, right? So it's a way of remembering that.
Look at history and issues that we've had, wars, racism, genocide, classism, all these things caused by separation, and a lot of it, men leaders being at the helm of it. And so when we can break down those things of, oh, I have to go fight against my brother because he looks different or because he has a resource that we want, instead of using our words, when we can get over the classism of, I'm this status and you're that status, and, the toxic masculine, having to prove himself or dominate another person or a woman to show that he's a man. When you get rid of that stuff, you have a much better harmonic place in space.
The way that Sacred Sons combines and joins different races, different cultures, all men, all masculine identifying individuals is a really beautiful and potent thing. Because while it's important to acknowledge race and ethnicity and religion, and there's beautiful uniqueness and there's beauty in variety in our differentiation. But underneath all that, there is a common, ancient, primal, original man that transcends all of that. And it's through accessing that we really heal the masculine, heal the feminine, heal the human race.
Yeah, my God.
Men being connected with each other keeps us from falling into our shadows. When we lone wolf it, that's when I start falling into those things that don't serve my life. But when I'm connected to men who care for me, care for my family, and are there to call me out, then I lead a different life. It's being the warrior, it's being the magician, it's being the lover, and it's being the king that controls all of those archetypes within us. It's being all of those at the right time, in the right place.
We all want to be seen. We all want to be heard. We all want to be loved and supported. For me, it's been the only place that a man has come up to me and said, hey, you can let what you're carrying down. I got you. And actually mean it. And me finding that I can trust them.
By us doing this as men, taking this step to build this foundation and make these shifts within ourselves and other people, I mean, this is the movement, the type of movement that changes the world.
1, 2, 3,